Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. I have the simple rule during the winter. When it's cold outside, I need some tasty, comforting food. That's it. Besides casseroles, soups, pasta dishes, and so on, here's another one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my chili cheese fries. This hearty recipe is exactly what we're looking for during this season, and we don't even have to step into a restaurant to enjoy it. So let's get cooking. In a Dutch oven over medium heat, we'll add vegetable oil. When it starts shimmering, we'll add white onions and season with ground sea salt. We'll saute until they're softened, about 1.5 to 2 minutes. Then we'll add red peppers as well as jalapeno peppers and saute them for 3 minutes. A few minutes later, we'll add pressed garlic and quickly saute it for only 30 seconds. Next, we'll add lean ground beef and break it into small pieces. Yes, I'm still using my meat chopper. It works so effectively, and no, I'm not being paid for saying that. But if you know the manufacturer, please let them know about it, okay? So we'll cook the meat halfway before seasoning with freshly ground black pepper. Not the one that is already ground back who knows when. It's gross, yuck. And we'll continue cooking until it's done. We'll now add the tomato paste and stir to coat. There are always some leftovers from the can, but here's a great tip to salvage it. To view it, click on the top right corner of your screen. To this, we'll add tomato sauce, some fire-roasted diced tomatoes, and kidney beans that have been rinsed and drained. We'll then season with chipotle chili powder, some brown sugar. Definitely we need to add ground cumin as well as dried oregano leaves, followed by Worcestershire sauce and hot sauce. The one I like using in this recipe is Cholula, but go with your favorite one. We'll stir everything until well combined before pouring in some beef broth. We'll reduce the heat to medium-low, otherwise the mixture will splash everywhere, and let it simmer gently for 1.25 to 1.5 hours, or until the chili thickens, stirring often. No one wants soupy chili. It has to be thick, all right? Now, about 20 minutes before the cooking time is over, we'll start making the cheddar cheese sauce. I won't show you how because I already did. Plus, all the ingredients are listed on the website. To view the episode, click on the top right corner of your screen. When the chili is done, we'll spoon a generous amount on the French fries, drizzle the cheddar cheese sauce over, then top with a big dollop of sour cream, and garnish with chopped green onions. And my friends, these are our chili cheese fries. This is a plate of pure indulgence. So delicious and satisfying, it can be served either as an appetizer or main course. It's your choice. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!